I came across to your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about your website is this corner. In this corner, I can see the important information that the client would look for. And this, also the email address and the phone number is here, and the website is so clean. A lot of things, things to read. But now let's take a look about what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google, and what you are looking right now. I'm gonna show it to you. What you are looking right now, it's a Google grid. It's a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number one right here in the middle, like most of the city. And this is where your Google profile location is, and around this, it drops off quickly. And one of the suggestions we are, giving business on this right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Now let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. I'm going to show it to you. How you are ranking. Absolute. There. Wow, you are number one. This is a really good rank. And so what we are thinking, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. This is an example. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you to help you put up another profile to get more of the jobs or more work to do. Because the following, the companies that follows you are also like giving services as you do. So if you want to learn about or know about our offer, please let us know, and we're happy to serve you. Thank you.